Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and today's topic is prepositions. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So today's topic is les prépositions, which is your prepositions in French. So let's get started. First preposition is your under, and under means sous. Sous. As you can see in this image, it is under. Sous. Second, on. And what we call it? We call it sur. Sur la table. Okay? Sur. Third, in. Dans. Dans. When we call that bird is inside the table, it is dans. Dans. Next preposition is at the side of side. As you can see in the image, that bird is at the side of the boat. So it is à côté de. À côté de. Next preposition is your behind. And what we call behind in French is derrière. Derrière. It has an accent, axograph. Okay? It is derrière. Next preposition is below, and it is au-dessous. Au-dessous. Okay? Below. Below the table. Au-dessous. And what we call above in French, it is au-dessus. Au-dessus. It is above the table or above the board. So it is au-dessus. And your next preposition is between. Between. What we call between in French? We call it entre. Entre. Okay? And next preposition is in front. In front is devant. Devant. Behind is derrière, and in front is devant. Now we come up to an exercise. See this picture, and after seeing this, I will give you some questions on it, that what preposition will come in these blanks. Okay? Just see this image firstly. Now the questions are, first question is, le chat est sous la table, under the table. In second question, it is la table. It's an error. It is la table. La table est devant de l'armoire. Third, sur la table, il y a des livres et une boîte. Fourth blank is dans la boîte. Dans la boîte, il y a un avion. So people, if you like my video, please hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to my channel, which is Quick French Learning with Shweta. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.